How to use a Facebook Marketplace listing. First of all, launch the Facebook application on your device. Once you open it, you simply have to go to the Marketplace tab by tapping on the Marketplace icon from the upper navigation bar, or you can also simply tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner from the home page. From here, you should be able to access the Marketplace shortcut. Go ahead and tap on this. Now, you simply have to go ahead and tap on the Your Listings option from the menu options. Find the specific item you want to promote, then tap the blue Boost Listing button directly below it. Now you simply have to proceed to establish your budget and timeline. Choose a daily budget, select one of the Facebook's preset tier packages, or simply select custom to input your own specific dollar limits. Now you simply have to use the plus or minus button to set exactly how many days your ad should run. Once you do this, you simply have to now refine your target audience, then scroll down to the payment method section, link a valid credit card or debit card or PayPal account to your ad profile, then tap promote now or submit. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.